Oh shit. You all good? You all set?
I'm good, man. I'm alright. Fucking phone was flying out. I just thank you, man. I appreciate it.
Yeah, all good, man.
Thank you. Wow.
Have a better day, man.
Thank you, brother.
What the fuck? It's really weird because when the shit came out through the shower, it looked the exact same as the mud those workers had left. That's crazy to me.
Oh, weird.
So now that I know that shit is getting caught and backflowing into our house, they want me to remove this backflow thing, which means cutting in the concrete, removing the backflow prevention system, putting in a normal pipe, repaving the pavement, and then they want to put a
Jelly roll? Yeah, no idea. Fucking pins and needles where I got my only tattoo. What are we doing? Going straight? Okay. What was that? I don't fucking know. Yo! What the fuck are you doing? There's just people running out in front of me today. Christ. Jesus, dude, what the fuck? Fuck's sake. He was texting.
Yeah, in a fucking truck.
Fuck you. He came blasting out of there, dude.
So what we're saying is, heck, no. I actually drove by Baccalaureate today. What'd that do for you? Nothing. No? Not a wiggle.
Didn't make you move?
No, Damn. Yeah. Sad. What a time.
I remember going to the fashion show at that high school.
That was me, just in regular clothes.
Just regular clothes, and Chicken Noodle Soup was playing. I remember that.
And I didn't. That was someone. So we had something called personal projects.
Yeah.
And you basically had to it was like your year-long project for I think the 10th grade. One of the kids' personal project was putting on a fashion show. Mine was doing research to determine.
Yeah, okay. What the fuck are you doing, man? You don't have any lights on either. Yeah, okay.
What just happened?
Alright. I don't know. Oh. Yeah. I mean, nothing to do with it. Just only stabilize. Wow, this person parks straight. Yeah, it's really not clear if they're... I don't blame them, honestly. Like, look. I know. I don't really know which one it's supposed to be. This is a mess. This is a one-way, dude. Not for them. Oh, boy. That's that big church again.
Yeah.
Why are you screaming? You fucked that up. That was great. Oh. Okay. I have made a mistake. Oh, where the fuck? What? What? Huh? Oh. I know, but I just want to make sure that's not the issue. No, I think it's more so like the tightness is kind of there, but what are we honking for? That guy, he's honking. He's honking at him. He was honking at him. Oh my God.
Chuck's on the pole again. I'm actually a pole dance instructor.
The came out in 2003, won 11 Oscars for the Best Picture. 93, the what? No way. Wait. The Backstreet Boys were born in 93. That's wait, what?
Oh, that's cool.
Winner sometimes. Who knows? Or I'll keep track of some points, but then forget that I'm doing that. Anyway, there's some kind of rules around this podcast, and eventually somebody wins, and they host the next one. That's about it. I'm trying to bring some formality back. I realize as I've been hosting every episode, I sort of declined into further into a pit of barely even explaining it. It's the same truck. He's like, I tried to do it the first time, but you live. No points for anybody, because whenever we're dead or something.
Yeah, you're true. Very wise.
Mark, name 3.
Whoa, God, fuck.
Red Hot Chili Peppers around the world from Californication. That was the...
It's a self-fulfilling prophecy. Yes, thank you. Look at this thing. Jesus Prius, hi. Why? What are you doing? Bro. I know that he pulled over, but like, I'm driving at your face.
There's so much fucking traffic right here.
Watch out, dude. Fuck. Jesus Christ.
Jim is the bully. Like, that's the exact shit. That whole storyline. And, like, Dwight gets moments. And, like, he is a whole character. It's not like he is just a joke. But that whole interaction and the dynamic around him, I hate that. That reminds me a lot of being...
Fuck yeah. How you know you're a grown-up. Yeah. Ohio. Did you panic because that guy went in the other lane? No, he's just fucking about. What is this guy doing? Very much. And it was cool how much they switched. Well, they didn't really switch up their sound. They just... This whole album was just... holy fucking crap, Pigeon! Pigeon! Fucking dumb bird.